Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into an essential subject that affects us all: health insurance. More specifically, we're focusing on the landscape of health insurance in Kenya. If you're someone who's never quite understood what health insurance is, or perhaps you're seeking a more profound comprehension, you've come to the right place. So, what is health insurance? Simply put, it's a financial agreement that provides coverage for your medical expenses. Think of it as a safety net. You make regular payments, known as premiums, and in return your costs associated with medical care, such as doctor visits and hospital stays, are taken care of. It's a way to manage your health without the added stress of hefty bills. Sounds interesting, right? Now that we've scratched the surface, let's dive deeper into the benefits of having health insurance. The benefits of having health insurance are numerous. Imagine having a safety net that not only catches you when you fall, but also helps you bounce back stronger. That's what health insurance does. It gives you access to timely medical services without the worry of a financial burden. Unforeseen medical bills can upturn anyone's life, but with health insurance, you're financially protected. Health insurance also encourages regular health checkups, creating a culture of prevention rather than cure. Early detection of illnesses can dramatically increase the chances of successful treatment and recovery. And let's not forget the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're covered. It's like having a reliable friend who's got your back in times of need. So health insurance is not just a financial tool, but a key component of a healthy life. Now that we know the benefits, let's look at the types of health insurance covers available. There are various types of health insurance covers available in Kenya. Let's explore them in a bit more depth to give you a clearer picture of what's on offer. Firstly, we have individual plans. These are designed to cover one person and are commonly chosen by individuals who are self-employed or whose employers do not offer a group plan. They are tailored to meet the specific health needs of an individual. Next up, family plans. These are a fantastic option for those looking to safeguard the health of their loved ones. They offer coverage for you, your spouse, and your children under one umbrella policy. This can be more cost-effective and convenient than having multiple individual plans. On the other hand, corporate plans are offered by employers as part of their benefits package. These plans provide coverage for employees and may extend to their families. It's a great perk that not only ensures the health of employees, but also boosts morale and productivity in the workplace. But what about the specifics of what's covered? Well, there are inpatient plans that cover the costs associated with hospital stays. This includes room charges, surgery costs, doctor's consultation fees, and even medication costs. Outpatient plans, meanwhile, cover the costs of medical care that doesn't require an overnight stay in a hospital. This includes routine doctor visits, diagnostic tests, and prescription medications. Finally, for those seeking an all-encompassing solution, comprehensive plans are the way to go. They combine the features of both inpatient and outpatient plans, offering a broad spectrum of coverage. These plans usually come with a higher premium, but they provide the most extensive coverage. Remember, each type of plan comes with its own set of benefits and limitations. It's crucial to understand these details before making a decision. Before you choose a cover, there are several factors to keep in mind. We'll delve into these in the next part of our discussion. Stay tuned. Before choosing a health insurance cover, there are several factors to keep in mind. The first step is to accurately assess your healthcare needs and those of your family. This includes considering any chronic illnesses, prescription medications, and potential future health issues. A plan that caters to these needs will be more beneficial in the long run. Next, consider the network of hospitals and clinics covered by the plan. Some insurance covers have a limited network, which may not include your preferred healthcare providers. It's essential to choose a plan that includes a wide range of hospitals and clinics to ensure you have options when you need care. The third factor to consider is the premium amount. This is the regular payment you'll make to maintain your health insurance cover. It's crucial to choose a premium that fits within your budget, but remember, cheaper is not always better. You need to weigh the cost against the benefits provided. Another critical aspect to look into is the coverage limits. Each plan will have a maximum limit it can pay out for various treatments, hospitalizations, and medications. Ensure these limits are reasonable and can adequately cover potential medical costs. Lastly, it's essential to understand the policy's terms and conditions, including the claim process, waiting periods, and exclusions. A common concern among people is whether they can get health insurance with pre-existing conditions. Let's unpack this. Pre-existing conditions are health issues that you had before the start of a new health policy. These could range from chronic ailments like diabetes or heart disease to conditions like pregnancy. In Kenya, the good news is, yes, you can get health insurance with pre-existing conditions. However, there's a caveat. Most insurance companies impose what's known as a waiting period. This is a predetermined length of time that must pass before the insurance will cover costs related to your pre-existing condition. Why do waiting periods exist, you ask? It's a measure taken by insurance companies to mitigate risk. It discourages individuals from taking out policies only when they become ill and need coverage. Now, the length of the waiting period can vary. It could be anywhere from a few months to several years, depending on the insurance provider and the nature of the condition. So if you have a pre-existing condition and are considering health insurance, it's essential to read the fine print. Understand the terms of your policy, especially the details about the waiting period. Ask questions, seek clarity, and make sure you know exactly what you're signing up for. Remember, insurance is about peace of mind. It's about knowing that if the unexpected happens, you're covered. Understanding the claims process is crucial. It's the pathway to accessing the benefits of your health insurance policy when you need them most. It's like a bridge connecting your medical needs to the financial support your insurance provides. The process begins with notifying your insurance provider. This step is essential, and it's usually done as soon as possible after you receive medical treatment. Some insurers may have specific timeframes within which you need to inform them about your claim. Next, you'll need to provide necessary documents. This typically includes medical reports that outline the nature of your illness or injury, and bills that detail the costs you've incurred. These documents are like a story, narrating your journey through healthcare and justifying your claim. Once you've submitted these, it's time to follow the insurance provider's guidelines. Each insurer may have a slightly different process, so it's essential to understand the specifics. Some may require additional information or steps, while others may have a more streamlined process. It's like a dance, and knowing the steps ensures you move smoothly through the claims process. Remember, the claims process is not a hurdle, but a helping hand. It's designed to make sure you can access your benefits when you need them, without unnecessary stress or confusion. So familiarize yourself with it, understand it, and let it serve you when the need arises. Let's now address some frequently asked questions about health insurance. First off, many of you might be wondering, is health insurance mandatory in Kenya? The answer is no, it's not mandatory, but it's highly recommended to have coverage. After all, it's like having a financial safety net for your health. And who wouldn't want that? Next question, can I choose my own doctor? Well, that depends on the insurance plan. Some plans have a network of healthcare providers, which means you'll need to choose from the doctors within that network. However, other plans offer more flexibility, allowing you to choose any doctor you prefer. Finally, let's talk about the concept of a waiting period. A waiting period is a specific time you need to wait after buying the policy before you can make certain claims. This is particularly common for pre-existing conditions. So, if you have a pre-existing condition, it's crucial to understand the waiting period associated with your insurance plan. Remember, health insurance is a significant financial decision, and it's essential to understand the terms and conditions of your policy fully. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to ask your insurance provider. That's all for today's video on health insurance in Kenya. I hope it was informative and helpful.